Hey guys, how are you? In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you the progress of my daughter's bedroom makeover. In case you didn't know, I am taking part in Heidi Sambel's Room of the Month Makeover Challenge, and I chose my teenage daughter's bedroom. If you missed that video, I will have it linked up here for you and down in the description box, so make sure you check that out, as well as the playlist down below so you can see everyone's makeover for the month. So this is week 2, and in week 2 we're just supposed to share some of the progress that we've made this past week with you. And I'm kind of calling this week the assembly week. I guess you could say disassembly and assembly, because we took apart the bed that she had, which if you recall, it was just the bottom of a bunk bed that she used to have. And we got rid of her big dresser because she didn't need that, and we assembled. I assembled her bed with her, and my husband assembled a dresser with her, and her and I also assembled a shelving unit, which you're going to see. Be sure you check out the link in my description box so that you can see everyone else's room makeovers. Over on Instagram, we are giving away a $50 Home Depot gift card. The very first thing we did was empty everything out of my daughter's bedroom. Then I cleaned her room very thoroughly, cleaning all the windows and vacuuming the carpet, spot treating her closet doors, anything else that had spots on it. And the assembly begins. I'm not gonna lie, at one point this bed almost had me in tears because we couldn't get a part of it to line up right, and we started to think that maybe this was a return bed. We got it on Wayfair for less than $100. It was on clearance, and I believe it was the last one, so we started to think it was a return because something was wrong with it. But I am so grateful we figured it out and got it to work. Found this remnant at Home Depot and it matches the other carpet she has almost perfectly. And then there was the dresser that came in a million pieces. Do you guys see how closely this carpet matches the original carpet? You can hardly even tell that there is an area rug in the room when you're walking into it. Here is the room with all the furniture laid out as well as the carpet. Here's the dresser, which is a lot smaller than the dresser she used to have because she doesn't actually store a lot of her clothes in there. The desk we already had, and this was a shelving unit that we got off of Amazon for like $20, I think. It wasn't the easiest thing to assemble, but we got it figured out. And here is the bed finished, obviously without the bedding on it, but we just threw her mattresses in there. And she is loving the progress so far. We ended up not doing anything to the walls because she just can't decide on what she wants to do on the walls. So we're just leaving it white for now. And here's the other angle of her room. So I also wanted to share with you some of the pieces that I have been purchasing. And I wanted to, just in case you're interested in a cactus or a llama themed bedroom, just some stores that you should check out. First of all, the Dollar Tree had some cute stuff that you will see. And we went to Hobby Lobby, had a bunch of clearance cactus stuff. They also had another section that was not clearance, but it kind of had more of a nursery feel, so we weren't really into any of that. At Home had a bunch of pictures and stuff and a few accessories that were also on clearance. Oh, we went to every store. We went to Home Sense, we went to Home Goods. That's where we got some of the pillows, which I'm going to show you. And we went to Marshall's even has stuff. I think that's it. Those are the stores that we went to that had stuff. And I'm sure that there's plenty of places that have it, but those are the stores we went to. And I'm going to just share a few of the pieces that I've picked up. The first one, which we found, which we are super excited about, is this hanging light, which if you saw it in my inspiration board, we were really hoping to find one, and we found it on clearance for $29, which is a huge steal, because this is actually a pretty big one. I don't know if you can see compared to my head, but it's a pretty good size. We picked up this llama, this cute little llama at Home. We picked up this cactus, which was also at Home. Yesterday, we ran to Hobby Lobby. That's where we found a bunch of clearance pictures. And I found this verse, which I really, one of the goals I've had for my home is that every room in my house has scripture in it. And so I found this cactus one that says, "Before you were born, I set you apart," Jeremiah 1:5. Do you see that price? $3.99. That was a steal. And she liked it. I brought it home without her seeing it, but she loved it. Pillows galore. Like, she wanted some white fluffy pillows. And these ones were from Home Goods, I believe. And it was a package of 2 of these white fluffy pillows for $20. So that was $10 a pillow, which is a good deal. We also got this at Home Goods. This pink one with some gold. I don't know if you could see there's some gold sparkles. And then we picked up this pillow for $13. It's kind of like more of a square type pillow. But again, it's that white, really soft pillow. For $12.99 regular price at Home Goods. This was from Home Goods. That's all I'm going to share with you. I have a lot more stuff to show you guys, but I don't want to overshare. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So what do you guys think about the progress we've made? Hopefully you're inspired by that. It was a lot of work when you get furniture in a box. I don't know what we were thinking, actually. It was a lot of work putting together furniture that comes in a box. But it was less expensive to stick on budget for her bedroom, and she's loving everything that we've put together. So I'm so glad about that. So be sure you come back next week to see the progress, because next week is the sneak peek of the bedroom. So I'm not going to show you everything, but I'm going to show you a lot more of the details that we have put into her bedroom.